Today we are going to learn how to say ship in Spanish.
This is Tower Bridge.
Can we drive over it?
Yes, but we need to wait for the ships to pass through first.
I think that ship's a bit too tall to pass under the bridge.
It certainly is. We need to lift up the bridge so that the ship can pass.
Este es el puente de la torre.
¿Podemos pasar por encima en autobús?
Sí, pero hay que esperar a que crucen primero los barcos.
Me parece que ese barco es demasiado alto para pasar por debajo del puente.
Desde luego. Hay que levantar el puente para que pueda pasar el barco.
Can any of you up there help us?
Me!
To lift the bridge takes a little while. Keep going until it reaches the top.
Well done. It's going up and up. We're almost there. Keep going. Huzzah! You lifted the bridge all the way to the top. Now the ship can pass through.
Your Majesty, there's another ship on the way.
Oh, so there is. Well, we really must be getting on with the tour, I'm afraid. We can't sit around waiting for ships all day.
¡Hurra! Has levantado el puente hasta arriba del todo. Ahora el barco podrá pasar.
Majestad, viene otro barco.
Oh, así es. Bueno, me temo que tenemos que seguir con el tour. No podemos pasarnos el día sentados esperando a que pasen barcos.
We're stuck!
We are stuck. I know. Everyone move to the front of the bus.
Move towards the front of the bus to help it onto the other side of the bridge.
Hooray!
Well done, everyone. We did it.
Do you always cross bridges like that?
Most of the time, yes. Now we can continue with the tour. Off to Trafalgar Square.
Barco. Barco.